What do you make, Sebastian?
2,400 a month.
No, it's less than that.
D1 coach making...
No, the paycheck comes in as 21, I thought.
Oh, that 21?
Yeah, net.
Are you sure it is D1? Do you even know? It's below Sunbelt? Oh my gosh, guys, how are you surviving on $4,100 a month?
Busting my ass.
Burly.
No, you're not. You're making even less. Why would I give? You need to put food on the table. I don't care. Do you have
Well,
kids?
I understand, but if we
kids?
can find
you have
someone
kids?
with-
You have kids?
No!
Then I don't. Then okay. He looks down on you. You're not a provider. You don't do anything.
don't
Your
look
business is a
down at her.
failure.
It does feel
really?
like you
Because
look
in your
down on me,
previous
but I
interview,
do-
you didn't say you look down on her, but everything you're saying is looking down on her.
Oh, well.
That is how I perceive it too, just so you know.
But that might not be invalid.
No, I mean,
And he can't be with someone that he considers pathetic and not contributing to the relationship, to
which
the
is actually
partnership,
crazy because
to
I'm
the
busting my
team.
ass to bring in the
Yeah,
remaining money
that's
that
even
we
worse
need.
because you're busting your ass and only making $2,000 a month, meaning that it's actually worse because there's people that are lazy that make more than you.
Which is crazy. Oh my God.
No,
How
that
do I
just
get
means
to the
you
fucking
suck.
Okay.
You're a horrible teammate.